What's up YouTube? Honda Civic 06 model. 06. Nabagsakan ni sa city, no? Nabagsakan na ni is ang inner tie rod. Doon sa pinakasulog. So, we're gonna change inner tie rod. Hopefully this outer tie rod is not seized. No? Sometimes it's seized. So the quickest thing to do, like para there's no need for tracking, no? Like you have to be like, if you have the burner, make sure that size there, or you can count how many threads in that thing, or once you remove the outer tie rod, you have to count how many turns until it gets off, then put it back the same number of turns for it. So put markings on this one, and then use yung cutter clip. Dali lang ito dahil hindi naman sa kalawang. Ang kanyang nut is a tower nut, no? I mean, yeah, tower. Ang kanyang sa outer tie rod, tower nut, yung kanyang natin sa so before natin tanggalin ito, i-crack open na natin yung kanyang nut ng inner tie rod. Open. Tanggal na natin yung kanyang gator na inner tie rod. Ngayon, gamitan natin silang no bolt. This one. Okay. Yan. Pag wala kayong ganito guys, talagang mahirapan kayo. Sinongkol lang talaga ang tatanggal ito dahil kita nyo, there's no space in between. No space in between, so obviously you need a proper tools for this thing. Cannot be done like cowboy lang. Minsan may pinapala din pagka there is an opening here, you can do with that vice grips, but this time the rules because there's no space. So you gonna put the proper tools. It's loose now. It's really bad, as you can see. I can hear it. Obviously pagka magpalit kayo ng ganito, dapat sana meron ding outer tie rod, but yung may-ari hindi na rin yung pinili niya, so hindi na lang din yung kapit natin. Tandaan natin yung position ko, kanyang spacer, ganyan siya. Okay, so kanagandahan, meron ng spacer yung bago. So yun lang naman ito sa bago na so ganyan ang position niya. Dahil ito susukat ang sulog. And beforehand, we gonna put the thread lock in. Beware guys, yung kanyang spacer, i-ano nyo muna, plaster nyo muna dito sa spacer. Meron siyang dalawang slot dyan. Diyan lang siya papasok ganyan. Zero clearance talaga ito. Ganyan siya. Tapos suot na siya na ganyan. Umikot. Civic, nilagyan natin ng inner tie rod. Kaso yung inner tie rod, medyo mahaba siya ng mga millimeter, no? 2 millimeter. So, doon na siya nagtatalo sa adjustment natin. But we will see if i-drive niya, sabi ko sa niya, i-drive niya sa highway bukas. If mga half degree ang steering off, like half degree, either right or left, half degree off, then that is acceptable to the city, no? But more than that, so kailangan ng full traffic. So ang lumalabas na pagka medyo mahaba kasi ang mahaba yung nabili na inner tire rod, so hindi parehas, hindi not perfectly like length ang tire rod. So medyo maano tayo sa adjustment, malilito tayo sa adjustment dahil hindi na siya, magkaiba na siya ng turns doon sa kabila dahil yung tread is mahaba, yung ibang tread sa sa old tire rod is shorter, yung length is shorter, sa original is shorter, and then yung nabili is medyo longer or mahaba, no? So nagtatatalo siya sa adjustment, but if it is half degree, that's okay, but just for sure need full tracking. So thank you guys, bye bye.